order to create a precise upper, we have to mark the leather pieces. For this we use special marking pens, and this is what we are going to discuss today. When we put together two pieces, we have to mark the leather, and it's a really big problem when you put together something like a lining, like here. You make a mistake and you have less or even more because the pattern just not going to come together as it's supposed to. So to avoid these kind of problems, we're going to mark the leather, and there's one way: just use a scratch awl. The problem is you might just don't see where the line went. In this leather actually you can tell pretty well that there are different kind of leathers. So if you don't see the scratch awl, there's a silver pen, and let me show you what the silver pen does. You can use your pattern for this, of course. So the silver pen actually is really clear, and if you put this piece on the top of the line, actually you don't need to do anything more. You're ready, you just stitch the edge and you're done. Sometimes you use this pen for actual stitch line. In that case, there's nothing covering this. So in this case, that's another little trick. A pen which has the solvent of this ink, and with a little bit of rubbing on it, it's going to disappear beautifully. When you have to work on a delicate leather and you can't or you don't want to use a solvent-based cleaning agent, you can use this little pen in here, and actually this pen is amazing. So let me just put a couple of lines in here. And since the leather is very light, just off-white, you can see the lines a little bit, but if I use the black light, you can see them pretty clearly. Now let me just leave the black light right here and use a little bit of a heat. So as you can see, the lines are perfectly gone. Only the two which I did not make disappear are there.